Hello there, my name is Yavor Milchev and I'm the co-founder and creator of Cart Shipping Calculator Pro. As a quick introduction, I first started writing code back in 2005. Since then, I have worked on e-commerce websites with thousands of visitors per minute, on online banking software that powers over 700 banks here in the US, and I've coded the front-end and back-end of websites that have made billions of dollars for their owners. Now I have partnered with Billy Buckles, who is the best marketing and optimization guru that I have ever worked with. Together we've created an app development company called the Shop Doctors. We are combining our optimization, development and Shopify experience into building best-in-breed Shopify apps. Cart Shipping Calculator Pro was created to reduce customer confusion by making your shipping rates crystal clear to your customers. Our app can help you display the available shipping rates on your shop's cart page without requiring your customers to enter their location. It can also help your customers by displaying free shipping bar widgets that let them know how much more they would need to spend in order to earn free shipping, if it's available in their location. By combining shipping rates on cart and free shipping bars, you empower your customers to make the right choice and buy from your shop. Now let's check out the app and see how it works. This is my development shop. I've installed the app already, however I haven't configured anything yet. The app is disabled by default so that your customers don't see any changes until you want them to. For this demo, I'd like to set up a cart summary widget with integrated shipping rates and a couple of free shipping bars. The app also provides a minimal shipping rates calculator widget that can be placed anywhere on your cart page or drawer cart with minimal available space. First, I'll set up the cart summary. The customization screen allows me to change all of the language that the app generates, as well as any colors, sizes, positioning, and more. I can use HTML to achieve the most unique styling, and I can preview my changes on the right. I can now go ahead and add a cart summary to my shop's cart. Most shops can use the self-installation product, which allows me to select where a cart summary widget will appear on my site. So let's see how this works on a simple theme. First, I need to make sure that I see the actions that appear on hover. They allow me to choose where a widget is injected. If you do not see them, something may be preventing the installer from activating. Sending an email to our support address is a great way to resolve any incompatibilities quickly. I'll add something to my cart so that I can see the complete cart. Next, I would go to my cart page or drawer cart, depending on which one my shop uses. I'll hover over the existing subtotal in order to replace it with the widget. Note that I can also add the widget above it or below it. In some cases, it's not possible to hover over the right element. The expand action makes it simple to select the surrounding elements of your current selection in order to achieve optimal placement. After I replace the existing subtotal with the widget, I can hide any elements that I don't want to display while the new widget is active. I can also click inside my selection to lock it until I hover onto the app's actions. I can use the reset action at any time, which makes it easy to experiment. Don't be afraid of doing something wrong. You can always start over at the click of a button, and there are many ways to achieve a desired placement. Once I'm happy with the widget's location, I can click accept, provide a name for the widget, and save. Don't worry, the widget will not be live until I go to the app's homepage and set the app live. Now I can see my new widget in the list of widgets on the installation page. When using a drawer cart, don't forget to also add a widget to your cart page. One way that you can get to the cart page that works on most shops is by going to the checkout page and then clicking cart to go back. Next, I'll set up my free shipping bar widgets. First, I'll enable a shipping bar that will be displayed on top of the pages of my shop. Then, I'll add a second free shipping bar next to my cart summary. The app is still disabled on my test shop, and the widgets aren't visible outside of the app's preview. When I'm ready, I can toggle the app live. Now, let's see what our customers are seeing. And sure enough, it's exactly what we saw while configuring the app. If you have any questions or need any help customizing the widgets, just reach out to us using the support email in the app and we'll be right on it. Thank you for watching. This was Yavor Milchev, from Cart Shipping Calculator Pro.